Hello. Okay, so let us begin. npm run dev. Mhm. Open one page. Localhost. Last time I said we logged in successful. If say we logged in successful. If we refresh the page, so we lost the login. The problem is here. We use the store to manage the access token, then but actually has a problem. Access token. Yes. So user rule, we get user rule. Right now, let us log out. Then T1, 1, 2, 3, 4. The store will not permanent persist the date. You go home, go out, go home. Yes. So that's all. And then let me check. So you logged in. The next step we will do the management page. Why we do the management page? Because for admin user, you can get anything on the groups to manipulate groups and friends list you to manipulate friends. But this is not the point. The point is why we do the management page. I want to show you. This is the group. Where is the group? This is the group. So put this one in your backend pre-authorized. So you must have the rule. First we comment. So we get pages. The page is from the backend. The backend send the page type date. Then frontend get page type date. Show in the browser. We do the management page. I want to show you guys how to get the page data from frontend, from backend, and show it in the browser. That's all. You will check. I guess it's Thailand. Yeah. No, it's not Thailand. It's I can show you the Amazon. So this should be laptops. Okay, it's like this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, next page, next page. You click this one, yeah, you get this one. Okay, we finish this there. Then we go to here. First T1. Let's go to the table. Okay, T1 is user. See, the T1 user rule is user. I set it admin. Right now it should show. We log out. Log in T1. See, this is the management page. You are admin, you get a management page. We show how to do the page. Next, previous. There are many ways to do it. You can send your backend can send a list to frontend. In this list includes all groups information. And in the front end, you can do it. You get this the whole group's information and split it in pages. But normally we will do we get the every time every time frontend sends a request to backend. Only ask, I want this first page, the second page, every page has 10 items. Please give me this information. If users click it, then you can do it. You can send other pages. So let us do it. Then we will go to the management. So where is the home? So this is a management page. It's a manager. We go to admin. Where is the manager? So let me show you. Path data name is the manager page. Management page. Element. So we create a page. It's a management. Then we do import it. Import it. This is the manager page. Yeah, this is the manager page. So let us do it. We will use the Kakara or these things. Then first, so we delete everything. Give a flex. If you don't want to do some things, you can do this one. It's totally your favor. See, this is the manager page. Admin only these things. That's the thing. But this is what we want. So we delete it. Then we get this one. We need box as as nv. Why we want to go back to the home page? Then you can give gray. Normally it should be the same. We just do this thing. It doesn't matter what is the some kind of things. If you want to, it have. So we show it's h1. Then it should be align center. Align items should be center. Then the justify content, it should be also. You can put center. Let we space between. You see space between. Display flex. Then we can do heading. Let us check. We need one more box. And we need import it. So this one. But obviously we do not like this thing. we do not like this there. Then what should we do? We just need see, we just need to delete. Then this is admin page and this is what we want. Then it's navbar, justify headings. In this box. So this is the heading. Then with the same level, we give a stack. Direction should rule, yes, it should be rule. And we give the link. It should be link. Yes, this one is to home, just to home. Then it's the link. Then we need a button. So this is a stack and button. So you give the to home, go home, and we compose this one. It's the justify between. So if it's the headings, we compose this there. If you want. See, it's go home. Go back home. Just. Oh, you like a home page. Home page. Then we have a menu. Why do we need a menu? A menu, it should be this there. So menu button. Menu button. This will go to the ghost. We give the border radius. Border radius. Border. Give some border radius. It's full. It should be not duplicate. The SP. Okay, it's account. Then we do not need hover. So we need do not need this one. PSD. Then we need the color. It's white. Let it give a color. It's white. So color. Let it give it's white. Yes, this is account. Okay, then it's the hover. It's will change. It's what the color we give. Maybe we give blue. It's better. Blue or green. If you want to check. Then it's account. So the menu button is account. Then we give this one. What we give it in the backend name? We can just copy paste. This is direction frames. It's in profile. We can just copy paste this one. Should be same. Okay, so management. Okay, this is what the page is 2. We can space is 14 if you want. See, 14 is you want. You can it's 10. This is maybe this is better for it depends on you. I don't care too much about this deal. So then we will get the group list. Then we will get the group list. From this group list, it's the group list. Then it will be have a group list. If you want, you can put the friend list. Let us do it. Just do it. Flex the F. You can direction is align central distance. I guess it's okay. So we give a box. So this time I want to use class name. This remember that we have some. And normally you shouldn't mix it together. I just want to show you what's the difference for this one. Central. You shouldn't use these things together because it's totally disaster. I just want to show you what the difference the Kakara with the Tailwind CSS. Okay, let us do it. So welcome to the management list. Here is your management. With this, we will not use it. I just show you. So it's here. It's not good because they are in the same. Then it's just this file center. We do the box. It's here. Then flex. We have this situation. Then because it's navbar, headings after headings, align citrus, justify. This is because here. This box should be there. This is navy. We need a flex. So column flex display. We need flex. Then we do not need this there. Then it's a navbar. So this is this one, and we must put this thing in a container because okay, we must put this is a container. Then we do not this thing. We put this one in a container. Direction is rule. If I put this one, it's to rule. So we need its row. So we change its column. Okay, it's column. Welcome to the management page. How can you manage? This is what we want. We want to show the group list. It's a table with page. So let us do it. The class name is okay. It's a class name. We need a box. Then we need this is should text. We need this one. Then we need other box. Then in this box we set this box is as table. As a table, and if you want to manage the friend list and table group list, you can put so this side, this left side is group and right side is friend. Also, middle side is friend, left side is right side is friend. It depends on you. So I only do two things. Table. Then we have this one. We put some things if we want. Wide. It's 100%. Yes, it should be okay. No problem. Border radius hidden. Yes, override is hidden. Okay. So overflow is hidden. Box. Just use this. It doesn't matter. Because the company and the customer will ask us, okay, you must do this UI, you must do this UI. Normally cannot do the UI like you want to do. So we have a box. Box is TEH. The title we should not E. It should be group name. Then we have created time. You can add more information. Then should it be update time? That's all. We only need this one. So we have this one. Expected corresponding text for. We need one box. This box should be this level. This flex should this level. Okay, so we need this box, one more box for here. Wonderful. Then we get this one. It's something like this one. Okay, created time, then it's this thing. Okay, so group name, we have this one. Right now, we must get the group and give it So we must define group, since here we have groups, then we must, and so this is here. Okay, we map group. Then if we want to map group, we first must get the groups. Then let us get the group information from the backend. Let us do it. So what can we get from the group? Let's go to backend. Group controller is the group DTO. So we have group name, owner ID, owner name, channel list, user list, then created, updated. We will not. You can give the channel list group the numbers. We will not. We should use group name, owner name, created ID. So you can get this one. Where is this one? Created. Then you can set the owner name. Owner name. Who is created? This one. Then let we only get this one, so we must set let's set an interface. Interface group. We set it's a response. A group response. So the group ID, of course, we need a group name, created time, owner time. That's all. We also set a interface is the pageable. We get a pageable. We get a page date pageable. This is the type. This a general type. It's content. So this is the whole dates for current dates, total management, and the total element. We need size, numbers. Okay, this should be current page. Current page. This the number is the current page size. Current page number. So it's you can see element size. For example, it's turn. It's turn, and this is based 0. Then this is the total pages, how many pages we have. And this is the total pages, how many things there. Yeah, that's all. You can give pageable. It's never used. It doesn't matter. We need to do this one. So let's do it. Then we get groups. We must get groups. Okay. So we set group because here is we need group. Groups, set groups. Let's use state. So this is pageable. G-E-A-B-L-E. Pageable is group response. Okay, that's all. Then we need the content. Why didn't doesn't work? Okay, we need to import this one. So content and we need a total element. Total element. Why I cannot? Total page. It's 0. Total elements. It's 0. Then it's a number. We can set size is 10. Number is that's all. Then we right now we can set okay. It's group. We give this group. It's here. It's here. So we have groups. We must map groups to these values. So we groups, then we have a content. Because the values in the content, then it's map it. So it's group. We can do this one. Its map should be this thing. So we can put everything in this. What? Then what we can do with this one? Here it should be group name. Group group name. We need this thing. Group name created in time owner time. What do you want to get? It doesn't matter. I guess it doesn't matter. Since they need some I guess it's yes. So we must give, because it's a map, we must give okay. So group ID. Then we also you can, but do not do this one. It's only to check. Like so, I only checked to show you how to do gray cursor pointer. Why I show you this thing? Because anyway, in the component, which one you use, which library use, it depends on the component choice. But normally right now, so we set selected items. Why we set selected items? So let me show you. Then we need this one. Let us set the created item. Then we do this there. Okay, it's here. Pageable, did you mean pageable? What? I don't want to change anything. Should selected item set selected item is use state selected item and null. So it can be null. Okay, we define a selected item. This time we can just define here. It's a type selected item. Selected item. Selected. Why cannot get this thing? Yes, selected item. So it should be group. Let me show you. We also need to fetch the user, the friend list. Interface. So user response. This is all the users. We can say the string. It's also you can name it string or something else. Username, and you can give the user password. The I guess yes, user password. For example, you have user account. You can check. We can check all information. Created time, update time, avatar. These things. No rule. We do not care. Update time. Update time maybe. So for the selected, this is not what we want. We want if you choose, this is the group or user. Because the management want to check, okay, I want to check all users. I want to check all groups. It's the admin, the priority. So it should be group response or user response. Then it should be okay if it's user response. Type should be group or users. That's all. Selected items. Why? The word is right. It's this one. No, cannot invoke object which possibly full, possibly null. So we will do this one. It's possibly null. Cannot invoke it. Selected. Then it's type. This one. We must set the user response, I guess. To fix this problem, we must set something. Let us do it. Then this. So we get the this should be user. Let's set the user const users. So users, set users. It's also this thing. We set the content page total this thing. We still have this problem. Selected items should be null. Since it's not null, then we maybe use state. Okay, we have, okay, it's this one. Selected item. Okay, wonderful. So this is what we get. Okay, wonderful. So selected item, we get this one. It will show these things. We can put one more owner. We can put one more. Not update, it's owner. Oh, we already have it. The group ID. Group ID if you want. So this time it should be group ID, yes. So after this one, then we should do the next thing. The next thing is very easy. So we will do this one. In this table, in this one, T-body, we check, okay, it should be the next page or next, let me show you. You click it, go to next one, justify, content, give it to between. Space to between. You must remember this thing. Merge bottom, merge top. I don't like remember these things, so don't waste your time. How about to see? Click. So after you click it, handle previous page. So set its okay, why? Group numbers. Sorry. We can use this thing, but we will modify it with these things. Okay. So it's disable, then it should be current page. We have a current page. We will set current page. I will show you why. Color scheme, just give one. So then we go to the next one. Then the test. So page. It's current page of total pages. This is group total pages. Then we have this thing, current page, and we have handle previous page. So let we set the current page is 1. The current page, we set current page it 1. Then, because every time we start 1, we so const and the previous page, every time we start the page it's 1, so we should do the if the current page is bigger than 1, then it should be minus. Okay, so we handle next page if we will check, okay, the current page is small or the biggest the total number page, then we get the we set it bigger plus 1. So after you set the current page, the current page you must get the page, the fetch the page. Because every time you fetch the page, fetch. Okay. So we set fetch groups. Then so we use current page to fetch groups. But how can we fetch? No, there is no nothing. Then we use effect to fetch page. Set here, const. Use effect. We use effect to fetch page, fetch groups, or get groups. Get groups. Then it should be current page. The current page is this one. So we const get groups. Then it's async. This is the page. It's numbers. And then we try. So const response is await axios get. So admin page this day on the page this day on the, yes. But remember that we need put what a header. Yes. So this one we just this there. First we import. What is the tool list? We do not need this one. The bear token with the token, it's also HTTP. Localhost. I know we should set some default. Do not use it repeatedly. Use this one repeatedly, but I want to do it again and again. Then at the end, we know. So at the end, then you can use it. If you use every time you use this short thing, you don't know where it comes from something else. So let us check. Then we send this admin. We check this one. It's what is the group controller. So this is should be page number. It's page size. It's right. But this should be. I want to put page groups. Should be add. add get. Get. Yes. So let us test. Let us test it where. So, but it's obviously we have some problem with the UI. No, I do not need this thing. I do not need this thing. UI. We have some problems with UI. Flex. It's not in the table. I guess if so, this is the body, T body. Then in this one, it should be this thing. Justify between. This should in this table. Mm-hmm. Group names and page with things. This is right, but it's not good. See, you see, it's not good. Align center and space. We give space. Let's turn. I need the name. The name is space. PXPY. I don't want to use this one. It's the Specien. Why it's wrong? I guess it's Specien. Okay, Specien. I guess no this thing. Justify center. It should be W. Max W. I guess W. Wide. Maybe it's okay. It's 100%. How about? Okay, so they worked with this one. This still in the table. Okay, I go back to the next one because it still go in the table. Okay, we do not divide. Maybe just put this there. We should have same width. Why? So welcome to the page. This is the W2. I give it 4. I give it 4. The T is 4. But with Specien gap. Do we have gap? It's turn. So MB is MB is turn. No, it's not spacing. It's wonderful. Text. Then we need this one. We need this one. We have this one. So we just use this thing. If you want to find some more things, it's also okay. Maybe we use this one, pxpy is 6 py. Use py, it's better. Okay, so let us do it, continue to do it. Okay, so it should be fetch the date. Where is our user effect? Fetch group, the current page. Let console log it. Okay. Error connection. This is why. Admin get. It's not admin. I guess it's from the frontend. We didn't send group get. Where is okay? It's the group get. Where is which port do we need use it? It's the port server. It's 9. Yes. No, it's 0. Let us check. So we get group page 0. So interval server interval error fetch field stated code Axios error, because with the status code, so then at the status at the node wait check. So right now it should set the group controller. Then it's this one. Let me check what happened. Yes, okay. Let's check what happened. So we get the response. Condition evaluation unchanged. Okay. Then we log out, log in T1. Go to management. missing required page number for method type is int is not present. So this is the problem. Page number for method parameter type is not present. So name is int page. Okay, int. Wait, check. Console log. Page. Where is the page? It's page size. It's the page number and the page size. Okay, so we must totally equal these things. Page number, page size. Let's refresh it. Page number is 0, then page size is get mapping. Okay, it's path variable. Okay. I really don't want to change it, but anyway. So that should be we get it. One page groups, we got it. I guess it's something. We got it. No, we do not need to change it, so we got it. So you see, we get it request parameter path variable. It doesn't matter. So we change it's 0 page. It's this. The page number is 0. Page size is term, but it should be page index must not less than 0. So we go to the group service which service admin get one page groups. Admin group service. Because it's sent from 0, so we didn't do this one. So series as is not meaning that there is no guarantee about the ability of JSON structure. So page number is start 0, then we get this one. Page groups, page groups, page groups. To list. So it should get all. Say that we get all things, owners T1, 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 created time, group ID, created time, we get all. Should have, it's where, go to there, that's all. But the information is not right. We tried in a list should have a unit key pops. Yes. This should be this one. Okay, manager. We fix the group ID groups. We give group ID, maybe ID to so since it should be, we give a unique. A unique it should be owner time is not. So we give a unique value. Okay, we need to give a unique. Let we give it's IDX or something else, whatever. Then you give it IDX. How about this one? Should know this warning. Yes. And then we only get owner name, group ID, and create name. So what we can from here, the group list, there is ID and created at, update at. Group ID should we return ID and created at. Then let's go back here. We can set tempo group const tempo group that should be group response then it is, so it should be is data punct its id group name group created at we can set this one tempo group date. Yes, set things like this. ID, we can do this one. Well, previous, then it's content, then it's this thing. Okay, no, this is totally some kind stupid. We just change this one is to ID. Well, group name we just created at. Then here is the create ID created at. Should be okay. Yes, wonderful. Make it easy. So we finished today. Why I used so long to do this video? This is only a demo project. Okay, so we finished Spring security JWT token to do the and OAuth 2 to do the management center, and we finished this part. This part is only show. Yeah, right now it's only a management page. We can do the same thing. It's the user page I already do this. See, we set this one. This is select items. Where is this? Select items. If you select this is the user, here should be okay. You select group, it should group. Here you select user, you show the user list. But we will not do it. I left it. It's quite boring. I know for the UI part must only modify these values, these things. So we finish how to get page the pageable data from backend and show in the frontend. The next step should be the WebSocket. And the last point is the how to use the menu to upload, download data, and to visit uh, through the web page. So basically, finish the Spring Security and pageable data fetch, and also the menu or the last one WebSocket. It will be help us a lot of things to do the next projects. I, I prepared at least 4 projects. It will integrate all, not all, most important tech stacks. The for Java, it is for Java. But with these projects, the Spring Security, Minion, WebSocket, these other 4 projects, we will do it very fast. So see you next time.